Next up, the backup pump room. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. Maps.techno.com. This you'll find on TV Station, which is a super dangerous map, but essentially find your way on the first floor down to this southwest side, zooming in right over here. This top left room is the backup pump room. Once you get to this long passageway here, make your way up to the far corner and left, you'll find the equipment room. Inside of here, opening this, you'll see a generator, or a pump rather, and right behind it, this room. This is the backup pump room. Unlock this door, and inside of here, we'll have some general loose loot, maybe pretty good, on the shelf and on a table, a military computer, which for me contained these items, as well as a jacket, which for me didn't have much, a military box over here, which for me contained these items. Then, besides the loose loot, there's only really a bag here, and inside of this business suitcase, some pretty bad items, and some other hopefully good components inside of the office drawer. Not bad. The second drawer, nothing, and the third, well, even less. Ultimately, this room's not too bad. It's a little bit small and there's, well, very little loot actually. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.